Welcome to the instructional video on how to search Emory's Theses and Dissertation repository. This repository holds student capstone projects from the Laney Graduate School, Emory College Honors Program, Rollins School of Public Health, Candler School of Theology, and the Nell Hodgson School of Nursing. You can search the repository by a specific title. You can search by the name of the author. You can also perform searches by keyword or research field. To do a null search, simply click the search button. This will return all results in the repository. You can then filter by year of graduation, going back to 2007. You can filter by school, department or specialty, degree, submission type, research fields, committee members, and keywords. You can stack filters to narrow down your search. Some records will have restricted access. This embargo can be placed on the abstract, table of contents, or files. If there is an embargo on the files, you will not be able to download it. The record will show the expiration date of the embargo. Some records will have a restriction access on the file only. You will be able to review the abstract and table of contents. If a record is open access, you can download the file. It will download as a PDF. Some records include supplemental files. These can be of any file type. Thank you for watching the ETD instruction video on searching the repository. Please contact the Scholarly Communications Office with any questions.